Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Today we're going to do a tasting on our apple ale. But before that, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. Okay, so let's get started. This is an apple ale made, I guess, has it been a month ago? Anyway, it's got, let's give it a taste and see how it works out. Smell is fantastic. I can smell the richness, it smells like, I can smell just a hint of the apple and a hint of the spices. I think it was cinnamon and nutmeg. It's nicely carbonated. I did force carbonate it in the keg. Oh, it's really refreshing. This is a fruit sour beer. What it is, and I've used this pumpkin recipe that I got, and I've changed it around to multiple different things. In this case, I used it for apple instead of pumpkin. That is a very good ale. Like I said, I taste the apple. It's just a hint apple, and a very, very light hint of the cinnamon. A little bit more cinnamon maybe would have been nice, but it's very nice. I like it. It's got a great mouthfeel. It fills your mouth up, but it don't taste too heavy. I could see sitting around a campfire and enjoying that. I don't know if I taste a little tartness. I can't really tell about that, but maybe just a little tartness. Very, very little though. That'd be a very good, enjoyable beer. The flavor comes on quick, leaks quick. But like I said before, the mouthfeel is fantastic. That's just a good ale. I will make that one again. So what I'll do, that's good. So what I'll do is I'll do it like I did the last tasting. I'll put the recipe at the end and the instructions of how I made it at the end. But I would like to suggest that to anybody. That is, to me, it's fantastic. I don't think it's going to be around very long, to be honest with you. Yeah, it sounds like 5 gallons is a lot of beer, but it ain't. Okay? Alright, so like I said, I'll put the ingredients at the end and the instructions. One thing left to say. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.